Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today in this video I will show you a simple and easy way to log into your Mo.co account safely and quickly. First of all, launch open Mo.co on your device. Once you open it up, you will see this login screen. You can play as a guest by tapping on play as a guest option, but if you'd like to log in, you'll need to tap on Supercell ID. If you don't have a Supercell ID, you'll need to create one, but if you do, tap on Login to Supercell ID option in the expanded menu. Now click on Continue. Enter your email address associated with your Supercell ID in the text box. After typing down your email, click on Login. On the next page, you need to enter the verification code that has been sent to you on the respective email. Go check your email inbox and you'll receive an email from Supercell. Type down the code that you received and make sure you type it down correct. After you do that, click on Submit. Now, you will see that you have a game progress that can be loaded. Click on Load, and that's how you easily sign in to Mo.co. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.